Hi everyone. Now we are going to see a topic on multi-factor authentication, commonly known as MFA. Yeah, multi-factor authentication is a security mechanism that requires a user to verify their identity using a two or more authentication factors before accessing the cloud resources. It provides an additional layer of protection beyond the password. In this presentation, I will explain the authentication factors, MFA architecture, cloud threats, and mediated by the MFA and the best practices for implementing a MFA in a cloud environments. MFA is based on three main authentication factors. First is the knowledge factor, which refers to something the user knows, such as password or PIN. Second is the position factor, which means yes, something the user has, such as a mobile phone, authentication application, hardware security tokens, and FIDO2 security key. The third is the inherence factor, which refers to something the user is such as fingerprint, facial recognition, iris scan, and other biometric characteristics. By combining two or more of these factors, MFA makes user authentication much stronger than user using the password alone. In cloud identity and access management, the MFA acts as a first line of the defense against unauthorized access. First, it serves as a primary access barrier, preventing the attackers from accessing the account using a stolen password. Second, it supports the zero trust security model, where every login request must be verified and before accessing is granted. Third is third one is MFA evaluates the contextual signal such as the user location, device, IP address, and login behavior to detect the suspicious activity. Finally, the MFA helps us the organization meet security and privacy regulations such as ISO 27017 and GDPR, ensuring the compliance with the industry standards. MFA protects the cloud system from several common security threats. It prevents the credential stuffing and phishing attacks by ensuring the stolen password alone and cannot be used to access accounts. It also improves the multi-tenant data privacy by preventing the unauthorized user from moving between different cloud environments. Another important feature is the protection against the MFA is the targeted attacks where the attackers repeatedly send the authentication request. Modern MFA solution prevents these using numbers matching and FIDO2 authentication method. To maximize the cloud security and organizations to follow the several MFA best practices, first implement adaptive or risk-based MFA. Their authentication requirement change based on the user location, device, and behavior. Second one is use phishing resistant web auth and FIDO2 security key, FIDO2 security key, which provide a stronger protection rather than SMS based on one-time passwords. Third one ensures the privacy consequence biometrics when biometric information is stored securely on the user device instead of the cloud. Finally, it integrates the MFA with a single sign-on and allowing the user to access the multiple cloud application and securely while reducing the number of repeated login requests. This is the practice. These are the practices to improve the both cloud security and user experience. Thank you.